Hello and welcome to Davron Search Like the Pro sessions. I'm David Coreen, Senior Matchmaker, and today we're going to explore a way to search CareerShift by contacts. When you log in, you'll see the different ways of being able to search over here on the left. You've got jobs where you can search by different job titles, locations, and so on. Here you can search by contacts. And finally, there's a way to search by companies. But this session, we're going to focus on specifically contacts. If you click on the contacts menu, you'll see you get a tree drop down and simply click on search. Brings up various ways of looking someone up. So one way that I think is kind of interesting that opens up different ways of searching is by clicking on some of the more advanced search options. Searching by area will drill down specifically to the area that you're interested in exploring. So 34638 is beautiful Orlando Lakes, Florida, and we're just north of Tampa. I'll go within 25 miles. But if I search by position, and that brings up a menu a little bit lower down, scroll down here on the screen, you'll see over here that you have title. So I think that what's kind of interesting about this is that you can search for other people that have similar titles to what you have. So if you're a party chief, a structural engineer, or a registered architect, you can simply type in and look for people that have the same title that you do. It is Boolean friendly, so if you put in quotes, registered architect, and it's a powerful tool because you'll see some chances to also choose between executives, mid management, or non management. Typically, if I'm looking for people that have the same title, I leave that alone. The system is only as good as the information that is put in. And here we've got Ramos Engineering and Associates, Patricia Ramos. Further, 4 architects all within our neck of the woods. You can certainly drill down even further by clicking on contact details. More information. In this case, we have an email address and a way to contact them. On occasion, like in this person's case, we not only have contact information, email address, but we also have a resume and some additional information, powerful information that a candidate can use. You can use to find something in common, to reach out directly and apply to them. So, and the key here is to play around with this specific opening and to look for different ways of ferreting out the kind of people that have your title. So by simply removing registered architect appearing as it is, and I just put architect, we increase results from 4 to 1,383. But unfortunately, you're going to get a lot of false positives. So we can refine our results by looking over here under industry. So we have the position as architect, but you can tell over here, you can choose by different industries. And if I'm looking specifically for an architect position that's within the construction industry, and I want to try to eliminate as many software architects that may return false positives. Over here, you'll see that we have a category for construction. Architecture, engineering, and design applies best. The area still should remember that we are looking for within 25 miles of Land Lakes. And these results look pretty good. Landscape architect gets us a little bit closer, somewhat of a false positive, obviously, but the rest of these results look fairly accurate. And again, as a job seeker, you'll have to sift through these yourself, take a look, but if some information here, you're interested in getting more information about this person, Kim Hedlund, Michael Apple, and possibly by looking through their background and their resume, you may find some things in common. Reach out to them directly. Find that commonality. Let them know why you're applying, what things you have in common, and it'll set you apart from the other people that are applying for the exact same position. Good luck in your job search. I hope that this helps in slicing and dicing career shift. This is David Coreen with Davron, and please tune in for many of our other webinars. Thank you.